to show you on how to troubleshoot iMonitor if it's after a power outage, if it doesn't come back on, or if you newly installed an iMonitor application, you're going to want to open up iMonitor. As you can tell here, we don't have our menu bar up where it says file to make a connection set. You're going to need to go over to your keyboard and press F6 on your keyboard. So now you got the file back up. You're going to want to go to File, Connection Set, Open. This is what it looks like on a normal day. You're able to connect to the cars with iMonitor. You see where they're going. You can adjust the security settings in here. This iMonitor would usually be located in the lobby desk or in the security personnel or the engineering room. So let's go through a couple troubleshooting in case you do not get this screen, the normal screen up. So if here you go to File, Connection Set, Open, you open your file, and if it stays on initializing alternate dispatcher, or ultimately you get this connection with a red slash through those arrows, you want to do is you want to see the IP address that it's trying to connect to. So this is the iMonitor. Everything connects through LAN, so it might go from your iMonitor PC, and out of there you have a blue cable, LAN cable, that's going to like a Netgear or a hyper extender. So that might be damaged. You want to see in the back of that iMonitor PC if you have blinking lights, communication lights, where the Ethernet cable goes to. So here we're trying to connect to that IP address, which we can't. So what we want to do first is we want to open up our command prompt. So you're going to search for it on the bottom left of the Windows PC, and you're going to type in, you're going to search for command prompt. So command prompt, you're going to open that up. Alright, so as you can tell here, we're in our command prompt. So we're going to try to ping, we're going to try to send signals to the IQ LAN network that's in the machine room. So we know the IP address of the LAN network in the machine room. You could open up your IQ 192.168.191.201. You're going to type in ping, P-I-N-G, space 192 period 168 period 191 period 201. Destination host unreachable. That already tells me that you don't have a good connection networking wise to the machine room. You also want to check the IP address of the iMonitor, because it might have been wiped out after a power outage, or if someone powered down the PC by unplugging it from the outlet instead of properly powering down the Windows from the Windows Start menu. So you're going to type in search, you're going to type in control panel should pop up. You might have a different Windows PC operating system, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows Professional, or XP, but it should be in the network and internet. Network and Sharing Center. You're gonna go to change adapter settings. You're gonna right click either on LAN or Ethernet, depending on what you have set up for your Ethernet port. Right click it, properties. Gonna go down to Internet Protocol version 4, highlight it, one click only, properties. The iMonitor should have its own identical LAN IP address. So 192.168.191.250, followed by the subnet mask. So that checks out. And we're still not able to ping. In this case, I had unplugged the Ethernet cord from the iMonitor PC. So you have blinking communication lights. So from the iMonitor PC, if the lobby is far from the machine rooms, it'll most likely go to a Netgear box that goes through a hyperextender all the way to your machine rooms. So that might be damaged. One good way to check to see if it is to bring your iMonitor PC setup with your keyboard, your mouse, your screen, PC, bring it up to the machine room and connect the one LAN cable directly to the LAN switch in the machine room and try connecting to it. If it does, then you know you have an issue with either that Netgear or the hyperextender, or if it's going to the network security in the building, might need your IT department to help you guys out with that one. But we got connection back. Another thing to check too is if you have iMonitor authorization. So this is an example of the machine room. We're in the machine room now as an example. So you're going to want to connect to iView. You're going to connect to IQ from iView. You're going to want to click. So you're in the System Configuration tab. You're going to want to click on Remote Monitoring Authorization. You're going to want to make sure that you have iMonitor for activated clients.